W.I.S.E. Financial Fitness. A guided action plan to achieve financial success and time. Freedom to live your best life. Go from how am I going to do this to I love having commas in the bank with a custom financial action plan. Money does not buy happiness, but financial stability and security sure bring peace of mind. Having enough income to cover bills and maybe treat yourself is not enough. You deserve to be able to go on a vacation and still remain prepared for an emergency. Help aging parents. Set your children up for future financial stability and generational wealth. Live your best life. You deserve to achieve time and financial freedom, whether you are using a business to achieve this or using income from a job. You don't have to struggle to do it alone or come up with a huge sum of money to get help. That's why I've created personalized action plans with W.I.S.E. Financial Fitness to help you achieve time and financial freedom. W.I.S.E. Financial Fitness will help you master two essential skills for building wealth: making money and managing money. They are separate skills and you need to cultivate both of them. W.I.S.E. Financial Fitness will help you consistently save more money, pay off debt and stay out of debt. Use credit wisely, optimize your income, increase your income, build wealth, protect wealth and create generational wealth. Get a custom W.I.S.E. Financial Action Plan. Official launch date, September 15th. We will begin sending plans on this date. W.I.S.E. Financial Fitness Action Plan. Let's get your wealth up. You will receive a comprehensive financial action plan PDF filled with strategies for your financial goal in 7 business days. Immediate access to financial and entrepreneurial courses for 6 months. Resources and tools needed for your plan. List of suggested experts you may need. Only $59.99. Get a W.I.S.E plan.